Hey guys, welcome back to the shop today. Today I'm going to be showing you a half-inch 18-volt cordless drill with some features and maybe a brand that you've never even heard of. This particular brand is made by Heimerdinger. Now these are compatible with the Makita line batteries, and of course you can, if you have a Makita drill and have those batteries, they're compatible with this one, but you can also buy batteries that are also Makita compatible, and they will fit this half-inch drill too. Hey, I picked this up on Amazon, way under $100. If you start checking around looking for half-inch drive, cordless 18-volt brushless drills, you'll see that they're well over $100. And if you get them with a battery, you know, you could be getting up into the $200 and $300. This particular tool came without a battery, and the reason I got it without batteries is because I have a Makita drill, and I've used the compatible batteries before, and they're so much cheaper. And for the average DIY person using it around the house, you know, my plumber even uses these drills because he gives them to his plumbers who, you know, he's got 10 or 12 of them, and, you know, he can't afford to spend $500-600 for a drill and battery set for everybody. So he buys the off-branded batteries, and this particular drill, he's the one who turned me on to it. And I'm telling you, I've tested it and used it for 2 or 3 weeks now, and it works as good as any Makita branded drill that I've used. I can't tell any difference. You know, I want to show you some features here. It comes with 3 features here. You've got just your regular, if you're going to be drilling wood or metal setting, and it goes from 1 all the way to 20. And then there's also a setting if you're going to be driving screws, and again 1 to 20, 1 all the way to 20, and then the final one that I was really surprised, because usually in an off-branded drill like this you may not have this feature, but this one has the exact same feature as a Makita. The Makita has these same settings, and this one matches it. It has the hammer drill setting. And again, from 1 to 20. It's got a metal adjustment here, so you can, you know, like I said, it's a half-inch, not 3/8, half-inch, so you can take the bigger bits there. And I just recently had to use a half-inch bit to install some casters on a metal table. And man, I've got some 3/8 drive drills, and I was like, what am I going to do? I didn't have a half-inch drive. I got this one. Man, it did the job, jam up. So, you know, the other feature is just got a strap. It comes with a real nice rubber grip on it, and you got your reverse switch. You have a LED light. I'm going to put one of my compatible batteries on it. So you can see it has the work light. So I'm like, this drill also, when you plug this in and pull the trigger, you can see the life of the battery. It just gives you a power setting there, so you know how much battery life you have left. So it works just like a Makita, and it's like a third of the price. You know, so if you're looking around and you just need a drill for at home around, or you want to give it to your crew and you don't want to give them a $500 drill, you know, check this one out. This one, I think you'll be really surprised. I think on Amazon it was about 50 bucks, 59 bucks, something like that, the last time I looked. And, you know, with Black Friday sales, you might be able to find it even for less. But even if you pay the full price for it, you've got an outstanding drill. So anyway, today I wanted to show you that. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure you put something in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. Would you consider buying an off-branded drill instead of a branded drill? And would you consider buying off-branded batteries? You know, some people say they don't like them. I've never used them until just recently, and I haven't had any issues, and they're so much more cheaper than buying the branded batteries. And, you know, as long as they get the job done, that's really all that matters. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me. Hey, and also, don't forget, make sure you hit the little bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'm trying to reach 5,000 followers. So if you feel like this was helpful, hit that follow button. It's free. Until next time, stay safe.